hope you guys are doing wonderful. The sun is out today and it is beautiful, and we wanted to share a fun little part of our new family.
Yes.
This is Bear. Can you
Bear,
say hi?
can you say hi?
Hi, sweetheart. Hi. This is our little puppy. He is 8.5 weeks old, and he's a Bernese Mountain Dog. Isn't he beautiful?
He is so sweet.
We're praying that we would have the right dog for our family, and he is the sweetest, calmest dog, but just like happy for everything. He just sits there and is happy for everything. So we are enjoying him so much, aren't we, Luca? He's so sweet. We're outside playing with him. This is one of the first days we're able to be outside and wear him out and play with him, and it's just so much fun. But we just love his personality. We love Bernese Mountain Dogs because they are great farm dogs, so we're going to train him to love our chickens and protect them and not eat them. That's right, Chip, right?
Yes.
And they just love to be by your side and help you and please you, so we're enjoying him so much. We hope
really
you guys do too. He'll be with us with a lot of our journeys and our gardens and everything. Hi, sweetie.
And yes, Luca and I, well, all of us really, have been working on training him. So, you know, the basic commands, but also I really want to work on leash training because he is going to be a big dog. His dad is like 120 pounds and a beautiful dog, and they really are beautiful dogs. So we took him to the office the other day. People loved him. He's he's really well socialized, which is awesome.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll take him to Set Apart Health once in a while. I'm not sure if every day, but maybe eventually we'll get him. I don't know if they're certified as a therapy dog or whatnot, but
registered. Yeah.
Since we are in the health world, it would be really fun to bring him along to different places, and the benefits health-wise of dogs we really think are huge. So anyway, yeah, we've been training basic commands as well as like leash training. I want to make sure that he doesn't pull or jump.
Good.
Chewing on my zipper.
Yes. Bernese Mountain Dogs are from the Swiss Alps, from Switzerland, and they love to pull things and pull carts and trained to help. And they love the cold, which is funny. They like being outside when it's cold. He's got the most beautiful little fur coat.
Yes, he does.
But they are ow! They're wonderful little doggies. Isn't that right?
He wants to get going, so we're gonna go ahead and keep wearing him out so that he sleeps well tonight.
Say hi.
Hi. Last night he slept through the entire night without waking up, which was amazing.
It was like a newborn. We were both up looking at him like, is he okay?
Is he okay? Yeah. He's been sleeping really well and potty training really well. A few accidents here and there, but that's expected. But today he actually scratched at the door to actually want to go potty. So anyway, the rest of the video, we're just going to do a long montage of cute puppy things because who doesn't love that?
I know. So enjoy. We hope it blesses you. Bye.
Yes, bye.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes.
Hey, sweetie.
You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am.
We actually got Bear for Luca for an early Christmas present, didn't we? But we had to wait 2 months because he was born December 1st. And we just got him in January.
Good, leave it.
Can you say hi? Hey, sweetie.
Tell me what you wanna do.
Sit. Good. Sit.
As long as
Good. Great. Good. Great.
alright, I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with